Hi everybody, be welcome class. Here we are again to the challenge of learning 1,000 sentences in English in just 12 weeks. And here we are at day 3. And at day 3, you start your lesson on your cope book. All you need is a cope book and a pen. And here we get started. Let's get started. It's day 3, and our first sentence from our 10th sentence will be, in fact, the sentence 41. Okay? Day 3, we got 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. 10 sentences for the first part of day 3, lesson 1. Okay? Lesson 1, day 3. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. But in fact, we got the sentences, 10 sentences. Okay? So let's get started. Our first sentence, we are studying the auxiliary verb can, and today we are gonna learn interrogative sentences, how to ask a question, how you ask a question, interrogative sentences. And our first question is, can I listen? Can I listen? Let's put the question mark here. Do you understand that every time you ask a question, the verb, the auxiliary verb comes and starts the sentence? We have the verb here at the beginning of the sentence. We have here the verb, then the personal pronoun, and then the action verb, okay? Well, can I listen? It's a question. And why it's a question? Because the verb is at the beginning of the sentence. The verb starts the sentence. Let's see the next question, okay? Next question, can I speak? And once again, you pay attention that the verb starts the sentence. Can I speak? Next sentence, can I write? Can I write? It's a question, okay? Do not forget the question mark. The question mark, okay? Can I write? Next sentence. Can I read? Can I read? Do not forget the question mark, okay? Can at the beginning of the sentence. The can starts the sentence. And so, next sentence. Can I repeat? Can I repeat? Do not forget the question mark, okay? Always put the question mark so you understand it's a question. Okay, let's repeat. Well, like the verb here, repeat, suggests us to repeat the sentences. So let's repeat. Can I listen? I speak and you repeat, okay? Can I speak? Can I write? Can I read? Can I repeat? That's 5 questions, okay? Let's go to the next 5 questions. Next sentence we have, can I understand? Can I understand? Let's repeat. Do not forget the question mark, okay? Can I understand? Next question. Can I believe? Can I believe? Can I believe that? Oh my God, can I believe that? Can I believe? Let's repeat. Can I understand? Can I believe? Next question. Start the sentence with the verb can. Can I study? Can I study? Next question. Can I teach? Can I teach? Next question, and our last sentence. Can I explain? Okay? Remember, I am a teacher and I teach and I explain the lesson. I teach you the lesson, I explain you the lesson. You listen, you repeat, you speak, and then you write and then you read because you understand, because you study. So you see that all the action verbs here are related to what we are doing now, are related to what we are studying now. So we are studying interrogative sentences with the verb can, the auxiliary verb can, interrogative sentences. It's day 3 of our challenge, how to speak 1,000 words in only 12 weeks. Well, if you do it, okay, and can see you next time for part 2. Remember, day 3, we got 20 sentences, but that's part 1. You still have part 2 coming. See you next time.